The sorting algorithm seems to be prioritizing color over size on this batch.
Yes, the sugar levels are...
This one is too soft.
Put it in the reject tray.
Check the pressure on nozzle 3.
Looks clear. We are running at optimal flow now.
The blanching process uses controlled, high temperatures to lock in the vibrant...
Mira este, está completamente magullado.
Sí, no podemos dejar pasar esos. El próximo lote se ve bien.
The process of lyophilization begins. As the temperature drops, the moisture turns instantly to vapor.
We have consistent deep red color here. Moisture content seems within tolerance for this lot.
While hot air drying causes significant shrinkage, freeze drying removes moisture while maintaining the strawberry's shape and color. Utilizing state-of-the-art stainless steel machinery, the dried strawberries are pulverized into powder, with dust meticulously controlled by advanced filters.
The separation is precise. See how fine the powder is here. Yes, quality is within parameters.
The aroma is quite strong on this one.
Yes, and the texture seems consistent with the last batch.
This vibrant red powder provides natural color and antioxidants as it's blended into our moisturizing face masks and soaps.
Here is the fresh strawberry powder you ordered.
It looks wonderful, thank you.
This modern facility, utilizing advanced solar technology, ensures that our strawberry powder is produced efficiently and sustainably.
Check the spectrometer results for this sample.
The anthocyanin levels are slightly lower than the control, but acceptable. The moisture levels on line 3 are stable now.
Good. We should increase the flow rate slightly.
I'll adjust the sorting mechanism.
Look at this one here.
Yeah, that's definitely soft. See the spot right there.
Agreed. We'll pull the tray.
Look at this one. Beautiful color. We should finish this row soon.
Mira qué rojas están estas. Preciosas, sí.
We're making good time today.
We really are. This batch is looking great.